how to buy Bitcoin on Phemex. If you wish to buy Bitcoin on Phemex, it is very simple for us to do so. All we have to do is go ahead and then launch the Phemex crypto application, and this is the interface you will see. So right from the bottom, you can simply look for Bitcoin if you've added them under favorites, and then you have to just tap on BTC. Now here you can see all the data along with your BTC, so you can tap on the buy option. Now here you can simply go ahead and then type in your buy option, like your limit and so on, and enter the amount in USDT as to how much BTC you want to buy. Then tap the buy button, and once done, you'll be able to go ahead and then confirm with the payment method and buy it. This way you can buy crypto or Bitcoin on Phemex. I hope the video helped you out, and if you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.